This stain remover is often described as being surprisingly versatile for everyday household messes. It's commonly mentioned as working well on a variety of surfaces, including carpets, couch cushions, clothing, and car upholstery, which makes it convenient for people who don't want to keep multiple cleaners on hand. The formula is frequently noted as fairly concentrated, with users apply it directly to stains and blotting or wiping rather than scrubbing hard. Many people like that it doesn't require aggressive rubbing, which can damage fabrics over time. It's regularly reported to handle common stains like coffee, food spills, grease, and small pet accidents without much effort, and to start working quickly by soaking into the fabric instead of sitting on the surface. Another point that comes up often is a lack of residue or discoloration. People say fabrics don't feel stiff, sticky, or worn after cleaning, which is a big plus compared to harsher stain removers. The overall impression is that it leaves materials feeling clean and normal rather than treated. There are a few drawbacks mentioned as well. It tends to perform best on fresh or recent stains, while older or set-in messes may need more than one application. Some users also note that the spray bottle can be inconsistent at times, with the spray pattern not always coming out evenly. Overall, it comes across as a solid, dependable option for regular household stains. It's not usually described as a heavy-duty or industrial cleaner, but for everyday use, it seems to get the job done while remaining gentle on fabrics.